This video is part 9 of a series of videos where I create a complete pitch deck presentation template in PowerPoint. In this video, we're going to be creating the business model slide. Let's now move to the next slide. So once again, create a new slide. We're going to start with a shape. So go over to shapes and we're going to come over to basic shapes and we're going to use a right triangle. And I'm just going to insert that there. Let's change the fill to black and remove the outline. The height of this shape is going to be 9.7 and the width is going to be 13.75. And I'm going to hold shift down and rotate this triangle and then bring it and align it to the top right corner of our slide. Next is going to be an image. So go over to insert and we're going to go to pictures and we're going to go to stock images and give this a moment. Now let's search for meeting. I'm just going to scroll till we get I want to use this image, so select this image and go ahead and insert that. Now that we have our image, let's change the let's just change the width. So the width will be 29.15. And while the image is selected, just go over to crop and reduce the height like this, and we just want to kind of focus here. So anything within, let's say 8.5. This is 8.43. let me see if I can get a little bit more. All right, so I was able to get exactly 8.5. you get 8.6, anything within between 8.3 and 8.6, that's fine. And I'm just going to change the focus a bit. Okay, so that's what this looks like, and I'm just going to bring it up a bit. Now let's come over to these options and we're going to select this. Just reduce how curved this is, like this, and yeah, we have this image. Next, go to insert and we're going to insert a text box. This is going to be business model. Select the entire text box, change this to Aptos display, and size is going to be 44. Let me increase the width of this text and bring it here. Let me just create a copy of this using Control and Shift side to be aligned to this. Let's change this to Aptos and size is going to be 18. Let's now go over to our notes and copy this text. And I'm going to select everything there and then paste. I'm going to increase the width of this so that all our text is on 4 lines. Next, let's insert a chart, very simple chart. Just go to insert, select chart. We're going to use this one, click on OK, and we should get the dialog soon. So this is what we have. Don't change anything, just close this. I'm going to move this. Let's go to format, change the height to 7.65 and width is going to be 13.15, and I'm just going to move it here and select the chart title. You can just delete that. Now let's change the colors. Let me move this a bit. Let's say something like this. Now while this is open, just select this bar. We're going to change the color to this dark blue color. Select this orange, change it to this one, and then finally this green, we're going to change it to this one. And yeah, that's it for this chart. Let's see what it looks like in the slideshow view. And there you go. This is the business model slide.